Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you.
The CHR continues the diamond-themed design pattern evident in the lights, angular rear door handles, and the roof on the exterior. Specifically, the cabin features buttons, switches, vents, door inserts, seat patterns, and a headliner that convey this unusual look. While the CHR is cozy for two, the rear seat is less so, due in part to a sloping roofline that restricts headroom. A limited amount of legroom ensures that no more than two youngsters inhabit that space comfortably. For 2021, Toyota added a Nightshade edition and upgraded the CHR's suite of driver assist equipment. For 2022, we aren't expecting anything more than subtle design tweaks and perhaps a tech update. The rumored manual transmission option and available all-wheel drive are not on the docket for 2022. Toyota offers the CHR in LE, XLE, Nightshade edition, and limited trims. Only one powertrain choice is available, a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that works with a continuously variable transmission. This one makes 144 horsepower and 139 pound-feet of torque, and that's considerably less than the 169 horsepower output in the Toyota Corolla. The engine seems lethargic at times, and with a combined EPA-rated 29 mpg, it is also less efficient than in other applications, including the Corolla. That said, we find the CHR possesses certain fun-to-drive elements with its precise steering and controlled ride. More power would clinch it for shoppers looking for a performance edge, but it isn't there. Pricing and release date: we haven't received official on-sale date details for the 2022 Toyota CHR, but based on fleet order documentation, we're estimating an early 2022 arrival. Pricing ranges from $25,095 to $28,115, including $1,215 in destination.